Want to know how to enable or disable easy mode on your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE? So, as a first step, open settings on your phone and then find a tab which is named display. Click on it and here scroll down again until you'll find tab easy mode. Go right in there and here is it. As you can see here, we got kind of big description of what is a easy mode, and here you can also see the preview of it. But I think if we will enable it, the difference will be seen more. So let's click on the slider to enable the easy mode, and you can see that all of the text has become bigger. Here you can also set up touch and hold delay and also high contrast keyboard. If we will click on the home button, here you can see that all of the applications item become much bigger, and here we also got a magnifier. So let's click while using the app, and if we will lift our phone a little bit, we would be able to see all of these small details on the camera. And this is it. Now to disable the easy mode, we would need to go back to the settings, then find this easy mode tab again and just click on the slider once more, and everything will be like before. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.